The quickest, the easiest and the tastiest Asian chicken stir fry in just 3 minutes using a microwave. So no woks, no pans and no ladles. I have like one chicken breast, lean, no fat, no skin, cut into thin strips, which I'm going to be adding here. Now simple marination, very simple. Halka sa namak, a little bit of black pepper, bit of soy sauce, I would say about a teaspoon or so. And then we have a teaspoon of vinegar in this, green chili and garlic and coriander paste. And here I have a little bit of ginger paste, okay? I also will add a little bit of spring onions. I add a touch of literally like half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of honey. So you've got a really nice flavor of spicy, sour, sweet, and all that lovely flavors coming in. A half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now this recipe works wonders for all kinds of meat, okay? We're going to give this a little mix. However, the vegetables are going to stay a little crunchy in this lovely Faber microwave oven, which has 10 preset menus and has an amazing capacity of 29 liters. And guess what? I forgot to actually use any oil, okay? So this is a really healthy and the most quickest stir fry that I've ever eaten. We have this gorgeous, juicy chicken stir fry here. Now here, Faber's microwave gives me the liberty of making the most tastiest, healthiest, the quickest chicken stir fry. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Do like, do share, do subscribe, and happy cooking!